Kellen. Uh-oh. Kellen and Ari. What's he gonna do to her? What are you gonna do? You guys good friends? You guys can play? Kellen? Where's she going? Is that your doggy? Is that your kitty cat? Aria, is that your kitty? Who's a pretty girl? Where'd your kitty go? You go get your kitty? Look who's back. That's your kitty cat. Oh, that's not very nice. You'd be nice to each other. Huh? No. You don't like her? You know you like her. Yeah. Come say hi. Come say hi to her. Look how pretty she is. You a good boy? Is that your kitty? Is that your kitty cat? Go say hi. Meow. Yes. You guys are friends. Oh, hello. Hi, Kel. Hi, Kel. Hey, Kellen. Here's your kid. Oh, uh-oh. Ari, come here. Good girl. Don't chew those cords. Kitty. Hi. Hi, kitty. Yes, that's your puppy. You don't really care, do you? What is that, Ari? Is that a kitty cat?